Hello, I am Aneek Ghosh, student of class 7 of Air Force School Bagdogra. Today I am here to introduce my calculator app. This is my calculator app. In text box 1, we have to put one number like 1, 5, 15. In text box 2, we have to write another number like 1, 3, 13. It's up to us. We have to plus, minus, multiply or divide. I have to plus. So I click on plus sign. This is the answer, 28. If I have to minus something like 55 minus 32, I have to click on minus sign. It shows 23. This is the answer. If I have to multiply any number like 1 to 12 into 16, I have to click on multiply sign. This is the answer, 192. If I have to divide a number like 91 by 13, I have to click on divide sign. It shows 7. It is the answer. This is all about my calculator app. Thank you.